Hey guys, the Pixel here. Today I'm going to be showing you something that I can do. I can solve the triangle cube. Yes, I'll be showing you that in just a moment. Until then, stay tuned for more. Alright, so here is my stopwatch. I'm going to set it and, I first had to scramble this, and the scrambling starts now. Alright, so this is, I believe, scrambled enough. And now, this is the stopwatch. Hope you guys can see it's at 0, and I'll click start. The soul races begin. Mental scaring. And there you go. I have solved it. And yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.